Hi, coming to you from stream-cast.com to show you how to set up the DSP plugin for Winamp that will allow you to stream your music on the internet. The first thing you need to do, of course, is go to winamp.com and download the free player that they have. Once you have that, make sure you install it, but then go ahead and close it out once installed. The next thing you want to do is go to shoutcast.com. And when you get to that, it'll be the page that you see here on the screen. Click where it says Broadcast Now. Scroll down, and you'll see the Shoutcast DSP plugin for Winamp. Sorry about that. Go ahead and download it, save it to your desktop, and then once you have it saved to your desktop, go ahead and install it. Again, I want to say, make sure Winamp is not open when you install it. And that is getting the plugin there. So we already have Winamp open here. Here it is. Once you have it installed, once you have the DSP installed, open Winamp. And depending on which skin you have, it might look a little different. But you want to go ahead and get to your preferences. So if you're using this skin, you want to click on the options and then preferences. If you don't have this skin, just go ahead and do a Control P, and that'll open that all up. And you'll probably have a window that looks like this. Okay. Scroll down until you get to DSP/effect. And then you'll see something that says Nullsoft Shoutcast Source DSP v2.2.3 or a different number. Go ahead and click on that, and what will happen is your DSP plugin will open up. You can go ahead and close this other window here just by clicking close, and this will stay open. So pretty simple stuff, actually. All you got to do is over here where it says address, put in the address that was given to you by your Shoutcast provider, Streamcast. So in our case, it would be s4.stream-cast.com. And go ahead and put the port number you were given. In our case, we have 11500. See where it says Stream ID, leave that alone. Where it says username, leave that alone. For the password, go ahead and put your password in that you were given. Where it says automatic reconnection to the reconnection on connection fail, leave that checked off. Simply if you drop the stream, it'll try to reconnect to the server every 30 seconds. You can change that to a little bit faster, but 30 seconds is fine. And then really important, because Streamcast right now will sell you a version 1 server. Most providers, as of this recording, I'd say 98% of them are still and only selling version 1. So what you want to do is click where it says use Shoutcast v1 mode for legacy servers. So you want to go ahead and click that. If you notice where you have user ID, that username now is grayed out. The number 1 over here in Stream ID is also grayed out. So go ahead and click that. If I unclick it, you see that they come alive again. So go ahead and click that. And we've got everything else set up here. Click on your Yellow Pages tab. Okay, where it says make this server public, it is recommended. That'll get you listed in shoutcast.com. Name the server. Give yourself a name. In this case, we'll go stream-cast demo. And if you want to give a URL, you can do that too. We'll go ahead and put our server, our website page on there. And it's stream-cast I'll get it right, stream-cast.com. Okay, send next track titles to the server. I would leave that checked. And then click where it says encoder. Very important. You want to select your MP3 encoder, unless you're doing an AAC, of course, but MP3 encoder, and then go ahead and select the bit rate that you want to send it to. We'll go ahead and do 128 kilobits per second at 44100 kilohertz stereo. And so we'll go back to here. So we've got that set up here, and we'll click connect, and you'll see now that we are streaming. So once you're connected to the server, go ahead and play your music. And now we are streaming on the internet. And that is how you do it. I'll turn this off now. And then if you want to disconnect, you stop your music and then go ahead and click on disconnect. It's really pretty straightforward for the version 1 servers on the DSP for Winamp. So we hope this helps you. Happy streaming, everybody. And visit us at stream-cast.com for all of your audio streaming needs.